Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Bitonic. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crypto trader, understanding the platform is essential before you dive in. Bitonic offers an intuitive, user-friendly interface that makes buying and selling Bitcoin simple and straightforward. After logging into Bitonic, you're greeted with an easy-to-navigate homepage that highlights your account balance, trading pairs, and real-time market data. The site provides a clean, well-organized layout with everything you need at your fingertips. The main page includes access to several important features like your transaction history, wallet management, and a dashboard for active trades. To get started, simply deposit funds into your Bitonic account. Bitonic supports a variety of deposit options, from bank transfers to direct crypto transfers. When you're ready to trade, you can easily select from a range of assets, primarily focusing on Bitcoin. The exchange offers competitive fees and provides real-time charts to monitor market trends and make informed decisions. For security, Bitonic employs industry-standard encryption protocols and two-factor authentication to protect your funds. This adds a layer of safety, ensuring that your account remains secure from unauthorized access. The platform also offers cold storage solutions for holding assets, which further enhances security. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Bitonic provides a seamless experience for both beginners and experts. With its easy-to-understand charts, helpful tutorials, and responsive customer support, the site is designed to make it simple for anyone to jump into crypto trading without feeling overwhelmed by complex features. As you use Bitonic more, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the crypto market, which can lead to smarter trading decisions. One of the standout features of Bitonic is its transparency. All fees are clearly outlined, and there are no hidden charges. The exchange's user support team is readily available to assist with any issues you might encounter, ensuring a smooth experience from start to finish. So, if you're looking for a straightforward, secure, and reliable way to trade Bitcoin, Bitonic is an excellent choice. Be sure to explore all the platform has to offer, and remember to use the link in the description to get a bonus for new users. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crypto reviews, and give a thumbs up if you found this guide helpful.